On this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve sound problems on all Windows. For example, solve sound problems on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. And this method is very nice because it works for all Windows. So for example, as you can see, my PC is not giving any sound. My PC is not giving any sound, and even when I play, I get no sound. So let's get straight into the point. So this video, the method that I will be showing you is not the device manager method, because the device manager method is the first step that you need to check when you are having sound problems. And I think if you are watching this video, you have already tried to update the drivers in the device manager. So here, the program that we will be using is called Driver Booster. I will keep the link in the video description so that you will download it and be able to follow my steps carefully. So after downloading the program, you just need to click on it to open. So when you click on the program to open, you will see it, the program will display like this. So when it displays like this, then what you will need to do, you will need to come to the network bar, then connect your PC to any internet connection that you have. So when you are done connecting it to any internet connection that you have, you will need to click on scan. So when you click on scan, it will scan the up-to-date drivers and the outdated drivers. I really love this program. I use only the program to update all my drivers. So for example, what I really like about this program is that, as you can see, if you see my display drivers here, it's asking me to update it. But when I go to the device manager and try updating it in the device manager, it will tell me that the drivers is up to date. So I really love this program because it gives you the latest versions of all your drivers. So what you will need to do here, if you are having no sound, is that let's try. I am checking the sound drivers. So you will need to check the sound drivers. As you can see, mine is already up to date, but still yet I'm getting no sound. Mine is already up to date, but still I'm getting no sound. So for some of you guys, you will see that it's not up to date. So when you see that it's not up to date, you will just, for example, let's say this is the sound drivers. If it's not up to date, you just need to click on update, then click on OK. Then it will start downloading. When it's done downloading, then it will install automatically. So when it installs automatically, you will need to restart your PC, then try if the sound works. Like for mine right now, mine is already up to date, but still yet I'm getting no sound. So if you are not getting any sound, or yours is up to date like mine, then you will need to come here to tools. So I fixed so many sound problems using this method, using this tool option here. So what we will need to do is that we will need to click on fix no sound. This method is legit, guys. It's really legit, so stay on. What you will need to do is that you will need to click fix no sound. So the program is giving an output sound to see if you are getting the sound. As you can see, I'm not getting any sound. So what I will need to do now, I will just need to go on and click fix. It will take some time to fix the sound problem, so you just need to sit and wait. So it's done fixing the, as you can see, audio device is switched to default audio device. Sound works now. I'm not getting any sound, so I can't say yes it works because I'm getting no sound. So what I will need to do is that so just follow my step as I'm doing right now. I will need to click on no, try next solution. So wow, are you getting the sound? So when you just do this, if you try the next solution and it does not work, then try and click again there. You will be searching all the sound devices that are on your PC. So when it reaches the correct device or correct drivers for your PC, the sound will start working. So I hope this video helps you like it does. I hope this video helps you a lot. So make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will get notified when I upload a new video. And make sure you comment if it works. I really enjoy when you comment saying it has worked. But even if it does not work, then make sure you comment so that I will be checking another method on how to fix sound drivers. So see you in my next video, guys. I love you all.